Hello Sleek Bill users! Welcome back to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. Today, we're going to show you how to quickly change the date format on your invoices to match your business needs. First, head over to sleekbill.in and click the Login button at the top right corner of the page to access your account.
Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Preferences tab. This is where you can customize how your software works.
Next, navigate to the Generals section. This area controls your basic display settings. Now, locate the date format field. Simply click the drop-down and select the specific format you want to appear on your invoices. Finally, scroll down and hit Save. And that's it. Your invoices will now display the date exactly how you want it.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.